Union Minister Sharad Pawar assaulted in the national capital today by a man who said he's fed up of corruption and rising prices. Mr. Pawar was slapped by Harvinder Singh, the same man who slapped Sukhram in court last week. While everyone has condemned the attack, the BJP also said today that it's a sign of the pain of the middle class, which the Congress has failed to understand.
आपको लगता है सही है विपक्ष विरोध कर रहे हैं विपक्ष मुझे मालूम नहीं
A slap that sent one of India's senior-most politicians reeling, and an attack which reverberated through the entire political class. The man, Harvinder Singh, the same person who attacked Sukhram in a Delhi court last Saturday, his claim, all politicians are corrupt. Sharad Pawar, though visibly shaken by the ferocity of the attack, tried to be calm.
ना मैं इससे किसी के खिलाफ बोल रहा हूँ ना किसी और काम के लिए सिफारिश कर रहा हूँ। मेरे पार्टी के सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को मेरा अपील है कि एक इंसिडेंट किसी ने किया, गलती से किया, कैसे किया कि बाद में साबित होगी, मगर हमने आम जनता को जिससे तकलीफ होगी ऐसा कोई कदम नहीं उठाना चाहिए.
This as the attack sparked anger in his home state Maharashtra, where workers of the Nationalist Congress Party took to the streets, blocked traffic and shut down shops in Pune, Nagpur, Sholapur, Mulund, Thane and Nashik. The attack took place on a day rising prices was also on the agenda of Parliament, and although virtually all condemned it, there were some controversial reactions.
Middle class are suffering the pain, all of you as well. Now, if there is no anger, no pain, no sense of remorse and distress in the country, then I'm sorry to say Congress is not understanding the country's mood.
The attack comes just 2 days after BJP leader Yashwant Sinha warned that anger over rising prices may lead to violence. For others across the political spectrum, the condemnation was strong.
This is totally condemnable, and I think I do not know where this country is going.
थप्पड़ मारने से महंगाई थोड़ी खत्म हो जाएगी. सब प्रचार पाने के लिए किया होगा.
ये तो बहुत ही गलत किया है, बहुत ही गलत किया है, और कोई भी उसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए.
This sort of conduct is not in any way civil or justified.
In the Council of Ministers, after Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Pranab Mukherjee, Sharad Pawar is the third senior-most cabinet minister. But unlike many other ministers, Pawar moves around with just one personal security officer. His argument is that a political leader should not be insulated from the public. But after today's incident, security agencies would perhaps like to review security arrangements for the country's top leaders.
Ironically, as politicians united to condemn the attacks on Sharad Pawar, Parliament again witnessed rowdy scenes of pushing and shoving by MPs, demanding a separate Telangana. Others cited the recent kicking of a protester in Uttar Pradesh by Congress leaders. So while today's violence must be condemned, politicians must also look at the example they set every day. With Sandeep Phukan, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.